Throughout history, the development of medicines, chemicals, and medical devices has relied heavily on animal testing. For decades, scientists and regulatory agencies believed that experiments on animals were the gold standard for assessing the safety and efficacy of new drugs and treatments. Millions of animals, from mice and rats to rabbits, dogs, and primates, have been used in laboratories around the world in the hope that their responses would accurately predict human outcomes. Yet as scientific understanding has deepened and technology has advanced, a growing body of evidence has revealed the limitations and ethical concerns of animal-based research. The Food and Drug Administration, FDA, and the National Institutes of Health, NIH, two of the most influential health agencies in the United States, have recognized these challenges. In recent years, both institutions have pledged to move away from traditional animal testing and embrace innovative non-animal methods. This shift is not only a matter of compassion for animals, it is a pragmatic step toward improving human health and safety, spurred by a new generation of tools that offer greater precision and reliability. At the forefront of this movement have been organizations and individuals committed to both ethical science and public health. The Physicians' Committee for Responsible Medicine, founded by Dr. Neil Barnard, has played a pivotal role. Through research, advocacy, and collaboration with policymakers, the committee has highlighted the shortcomings of animal tests and championed alternatives that are grounded in human biology. Why, after so long, are these changes happening now? The answer lies in both scientific innovation and the persistent efforts of advocates who have worked tirelessly to reshape the conversation. Animal models, for all their historical importance, possess inherent flaws. Animals differ from humans in their metabolism, physiology, and genetic makeup. As a result, results from animal studies often fail to translate accurately to people. Some drugs that appeared safe in animals have proven harmful to humans. Others that showed promise in animals failed to deliver benefits, or even caused unexpected side effects. The cost is not just financial, but measured in human lives and well-being. Meanwhile, new technologies have emerged that are transforming biomedical research. Human cell cultures, organ-on-a-chip systems, computational modeling, and advanced imaging techniques can now replicate many aspects of human biology with remarkable fidelity. These tools allow scientists to study disease processes and drug effects in ways that are directly relevant to human health, bypassing the uncertainties introduced by animal differences. Recognizing the promise of these methods, the FDA and NIH have initiated a series of steps to modernize their approaches. The FDA, which regulates the safety of drugs, medical devices, and food, has updated its guidelines to permit and encourage the use of validated non-animal tests. Moving away from the rigid requirement for animal data, the agency now welcomes scientific evidence derived from human-based models, provided they meet rigorous standards of reliability and relevance. Similarly, the NIH, as the nation's largest funder of medical research, has launched programs to support the development and validation of non-animal methods. By investing in cutting-edge research and fostering collaboration between academic scientists, industry leaders, and regulatory bodies, the NIH is accelerating the adoption of alternatives that promise to make medical research more humane, more efficient, and more predictive. These changes did not happen in a vacuum. The Physicians' Committee for Responsible Medicine, under the leadership of Dr. Neil Barnard, has been instrumental in shaping the national conversation. Founded in 1985, the committee brought together physicians, scientists, and concerned citizens who believed that medical progress should not come at the expense of animal suffering or human safety. Dr. Barnard, a respected physician and researcher, has been a vocal advocate for ethical science, arguing that advances in medicine should be guided by both compassion and evidence. Through public education, outreach to lawmakers, and collaboration with scientific organizations, the Physicians' Committee has highlighted both the moral and practical reasons for moving beyond animal testing. They have published scholarly articles, organized conferences, and testified before Congress, making the case that non-animal methods are not only kinder to animals, but often more relevant to human health. One of the committee's key strategies has been to promote transparency and accountability in research. By documenting the limitations of animal tests and showcasing successful non-animal alternatives, they have encouraged regulatory agencies to reconsider outdated practices. Their efforts have contributed to the growing momentum for change within the scientific community and among policymakers. The benefits of this shift are profound. For one, replacing animal tests with human-relevant methods can lead to safer, more effective medicines. When researchers use human cells, tissues, or computer models that simulate human physiology, they gain insights that are directly applicable to patients. This not only improves the chances of developing successful treatments, but can also reduce the risk of unforeseen side effects. Furthermore, non-animal methods are often faster and less expensive than traditional animal studies. Organ-on-a-chip systems, for example, allow scientists to observe how drugs interact with human tissues in real time, without the delays and complexities of animal experiments. Computational models can rapidly screen thousands of compounds for potential risks or benefits, streamlining the drug discovery process. These advances can speed up the journey from laboratory to clinic, bringing new therapies to patients who need them. The ethical implications are equally significant. Every year, millions of animals are used in research, often subjected to procedures that cause pain, distress, or death. By adopting non-animal methods, the scientific community can reduce this toll and align research practices with growing public concern for animal welfare. This is not just a matter of compassion. It is a reflection of society's evolving understanding of the value of all living beings. The journey toward a research landscape free from animal testing is still ongoing. Challenges remain, including the need for additional research to validate new methods and for regulatory agencies to harmonize their requirements. Not all non-animal techniques are equally mature. Continued investment and collaboration are essential to realize their full potential. Yet the progress is undeniable. In recent years, the FDA has approved several drugs that were developed using largely non-animal data, demonstrating that change is possible. The NIH has established dedicated funding streams to support alternatives, and international organizations are working together to share knowledge and set global standards. Dr. Neil Barnard and the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine continue to champion these efforts. Their work has inspired a new generation of scientists to question old assumptions and embrace innovative approaches. They have shown that it is possible to advance medical science while honoring our moral responsibilities to both humans and animals. Looking ahead, the future of biomedical research is bright. As non-animal methods become ever more sophisticated, they will unlock new possibilities for understanding disease, developing treatments, and protecting public health. The collaboration between regulators, researchers, and advocates will be crucial in shaping this future, one where medical progress and ethical responsibility go hand in hand. This transformation is not just about science, it is about values. It is about recognizing that our quest for knowledge must be guided by empathy, integrity, and a commitment to do no harm. The leadership of the FDA and NIH, supported by visionaries like Dr. Barnard and organizations like the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, serves as a powerful example of what is possible when we dare to reimagine the way we do science. In the years to come, countless lives, both human and animal, will be better for this bold step forward. Medicines will be safer, treatments more effective, and the suffering of animals in laboratories will be dramatically reduced. This is the promise of modern, humane science, a future where progress is measured not just by what we achieve, but by how we achieve it, with compassion, wisdom, and hope. Join us on an incredible journey as we explore the fascinating world of animals, from the comfort of your home to the heart of the wild. By subscribing to Paws, Claws, and Wilderness, you'll discover captivating stories, amazing animal facts, and breathtaking wildlife adventures. Stay up to date with our latest episodes and never miss an opportunity to learn about the wonders of nature. Hit that subscribe button and become part of our growing community of animal lovers today.